Today I am going to harvest some vegetables and fruit from my garden, as well as look to clean it up a little bit because there's been a lot of overgrowth. We've had quite a bit of rain uh, in the last week or so. Um, Usually we get rain in the afternoons, but in the last couple of days we actually got rain in the morning as well as the afternoon. So that was unusual. So quite a few things are growing a lot because of all the rain. Thankfully, we have a nice morning here, uh, and it's partly sunny. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to harvest and some of the things that work well together and how I'm going to clean some of things up here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And here I'm going to show you what we have in a couple of the beds in my zone 1. Here we have some lettuce. And I have a lettuce. I'm going to harvest some of the lettuce growing with some carrots. And what I like about this area as well is that sometimes we just get medicinal plants growing in between. So I like that. There's some basil here, purple basil. I also have some purple cabbage growing here. In this bed, there's also a little bit of tomatoes. I've got some Romero here and some purple kale. I'm really big on the purple. As you can see, purple basil, purple cabbage, and some purple kale, as well as regular kale. There's some ginger growing here. And I'm going to move over to the next bed. Behind me, I'm working here on growing some lettuce, but it looks like some other things are growing in between. So we'll see how that works out. In between some of these plants, I planted the marigold because it helps with it helps with repelling some different types of insects. So I like to plant some flowers in between. I'm gonna go over here. This bed is kind of ruly. Lots and lots of spinach. I'm gonna have to clean this up, but lots and lots of spinach. It just grows abundantly. There's some more kale over here, and I also have to clean this bed. But you can see in between, there's also some medicinal plants. Like there's some stinging nettle over there, and some culantro in between all the tomatoes. We'll move on down here. We're gonna have to clean this lemon tree. It is getting heavy with all the lemons. So even though most of them are green, we're gonna need to harvest some. There's some yellow ones at the top, but there's quite a bit. And this bed, there's a ton of purple cabbage as well as some lettuce. I'm going to talk a little bit about the purple cabbage and how important it is, and some of the things, the beneficial uses of the cabbage, especially the purple cabbage. I'm going to get my, I'm going to cut some here at harvest for a salad. But the purple kale, the purple cabbage is very beneficial for your health, especially when it comes to nutrients. It's really lots of vitamin C. It's an antioxidant, and it has some beneficial properties to help you protect from heart health, as well as fights inflammation. and protects against some certain types of cancers. So whenever you get that, the green with the purple, just think of more nutrients, whether it's, oh, my cat's there, whether it's kale or cabbage, but that is beneficial of the purple cabbage. Uh, More spinach growing up along here, and I'm gonna need to clean this as well. But lots and lots of spinach. So I'm gonna harvest the spinach, the lettuce, as well as some cabbage and some kale for our salad this afternoon for lunch. Some other beds over. I'll talk about in another video because they're more medicinal. But as you can see, it's a lot of growth and needs some cleaning. So I'm going to be harvesting and cleaning today. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, or give this video a like, and or share it with somebody that might want to see more about gardening here in Panama. Thank you.